I got the new SpongeBob meal from Burger King. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. And if you skip this video, SpongeBob will finger you. All right, so I got the Patrick Star Pie. All right. I got the SpongeBob Whopper and a large fry. All right, y'all, let's first start off with the fries. Here, get you some. Here. Nice and seasoned. Next up, we got the Krabby Patty. Let's see what it's hitting for. Let's see if they gave me a yellow bun. Oh, y'all, look at how gorgeous this Krabby Patty is. Oh my God. Let's try it. Tastes like a Krabby Patty. Ah! You know that famous SpongeBob scene where that guy, he's like, my leg! That's me when I eat this. Next up, we're going to be trying this right here. This Patrick's strawberry pie. Oh my God, I can't get it open. Damn. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Get a load of Jeffree Star's sweetness. Oh wow, that is super delicious. Tastes like a strawberry shortcake, but in ice cream form. Wow. It's not too sweet. All right. I got a Mountain Dew because they forgot my frozen drink. So let's crack it open. If you made it to this far to the video, comment your battery percentage in the comments down below.